Okay, so today we have to discuss about Ohm's law, and second point is on what does resistance depends. So before starting the second point, first we have to discuss Ohm's law. Ohm's law, suppose we are taking any resistance A, B, there are 2 points. Any current I is flowing in this element. According to Ohm's law, I is directly proportional to the potential difference across A and B. Suppose it is V. So you can write I is equal to 1 upon R V, and V is equal to I R. So R is what? R is a constant of this element. Element means what? This wire, and its resistance its unit is ohm. SI unit of R is ohm. So now we have to discuss about on what does resistance depends. So before starting, mainly it depends on 4 points. First one is depends on material of the wire. Second, depends on length of the wire, and third one depends on area of cross section of the wire, and last it depends on temperature. So we have to discuss one by one. Depends on material of the wire. Here it is resistance between these 2 points A and B. Suppose this is connected by a cell. Any current I is flowing through this, whatever be the resistance. Now we can replace this resistance by any other resistance of different material, like suppose it is copper, then you have to replace copper by iron or nichrome or anything. The cell, having the same cell you have to use in every cases, and you will get that the current is changed. So this shows that it depends on material of the wire. Now second point is depends on length of the wire. Means what? Actually it is directly proportional to the length of the wire. If the wire, suppose any wire having length L, it is directly proportional to the length. So R is directly proportional to L. Suppose this having L, so R directly proportional to length of the wire. So equation number first. Now third point is depends on area of cross section means A. So R is inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the wire. The second equation. Now last point is it depends on temperature also. Resistance depends on temperature. So we have to use equation 1 and 2, and on the basis of these two we have to find resistivity, its SI unit. So from equation 1 and 2 you can write R directly proportional to L upon A, or you have to a proportionality constant here, rho, it is known as rho. So R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is what? Rho is equal to resistivity and its SI unit is if you have remembered, then you can write, otherwise you can find from this equation. Rho is equal to what? R A upon L, and R having unit ohm, A meter square and meter, so you can write it is ohm meter. Either you can write like that or ohm meter. So on this derivation, different types of questions may be asked, especially in 10th board examination. So if you have any question related to this topic, you can message me directly or you can go through your book. Okay, thank you.